Have you ever dreamed of a place so surreal, so impossibly beautiful? It feels like it was plucked from the pages of a fantasy novel, a hidden paradise where sapphire waters kiss golden sands and cliffs guard centuries-old secrets. Welcome to Navagio Beach on Zakynthos Island, Greece, one of the most breathtaking destinations on Earth. More than a picture-perfect postcard, it's a living dream, etched into the heart of every traveler who visits. Also known as Shipwreck Beach, this iconic cove is as mysterious as it is mesmerizing. It's the kind of place that doesn't just impress you, it stays with you. So grab your sense of adventure and let's dive into the story of Zakynthos, a Greek island unlike any other, where nature, history, and wonder blend into pure magic. Zakynthos, or Zante as some call it, lies in the heart of the Ionian Sea. It's the third largest of the Ionian Islands, famous for its stunning coastline, rich marine life, and gentle Mediterranean spirit. The island is home to one of the most photographed beaches in the world, Navagio Beach. This remote cove is only accessible by boat, surrounded by towering limestone cliffs and vivid blue waters. The beach gets its name from the shipwrecked MV Panagiotis, a smuggler's ship that ran aground in 1980 during a storm. Its rusting skeleton rests on the white sand, creating an unforgettable contrast. But Zakynthos offers more than a famous beach. It's also a sanctuary for the endangered caretta sea turtles, which nest on its southern shores. Many areas are protected under the Zakynthos Marine Park. Beyond the coast, the island's interior is dotted with traditional villages, olive groves, and vineyards. It's a place where Venetian, French, and British influences still echo through the architecture and cuisine. Whether you're drawn to its history, its ecology, or its unmatched scenery, Zakynthos is a place that invites you to explore and feel deeply connected to the land and sea. Our journey begins above, at the Navagio Beach viewpoint. From this dizzying height, the view is simply legendary. White cliffs circling turquoise waters, with the wreck lying quietly on the sand. To get to the beach itself, you'll need to hop on a boat. Departures are available from Porto Limnionas, Zakynthos Town, and Agios Nikolaos, with trips ranging from short visits to full-day tours. The boat ride is an adventure of its own. You'll pass rock arches, sea caves, and cliffs that dive into shimmering blue waters. With every turn, anticipation builds until you see the cove open before you. Navagio's beach feels surreal. The sand is warm, the cliffs are massive, and the sea is alive with color. The shipwreck itself, rusted and broken, feels like a relic of a different world. Legend says it was used to smuggle contraband. Others say it was simply caught in bad weather. Whatever the truth, its presence turns this beach into something mythical. After soaking in Navagio, head toward the blue caves, natural sea arches and caverns glowing with fluorescent light. Sunlight reflects off the white seafloor, turning the water electric blue. You can swim or snorkel into the caves. As you float in the glowing water, it's hard to believe such a place exists. Everything feels peaceful, magical, suspended in time. Not far from the caves lies Marathonisi, also called Turtle Island. From the air, it resembles a turtle. In the sea around it, actual turtles, the caretta, glide gracefully through the water. Boat tours often include time near Marathonisi for turtle spotting. Watching these ancient creatures in their natural habitat is a gentle reminder of the island's wild heart. Back on land, head inland to the villages like Keri, Valaimes, or Agios Leon. Life here moves slowly. You'll find cobbled lanes, stone houses, and locals selling handmade honey, olive oil, and lace. At a village taverna, sit down to taste grilled octopus, creamy tzatziki, and warm bread soaked in local olive oil. Every dish is a love letter to Greek tradition. Rent a car or ATV to explore remote areas. Drive up winding roads to panoramic spots where the sea stretches endlessly and the only sound is the breeze rustling through pine trees. In the evening, visit Bochali Hill, just above Zakynthos town. As the sun dips into the Ionian Sea, the island lights begin to twinkle. It's a perfect place to reflect on your day. If you crave nightlife, Laganas won't disappoint. Beach bars pulse with energy, DJs play until sunrise, and the streets buzz with travelers from around the world. But if quiet moments are more your style, the village of Alakanas offers peaceful evenings with waves gently crashing and lanterns swaying in the wind. Zakynthos is a place of contrast. Adrenaline and calm, adventure and relaxation, mystery and clarity. And you're never far from your next unforgettable moment. The best time to visit Zakynthos is between May and October. June and September offer warm weather and fewer crowds, perfect for a more relaxed experience. Flights arrive daily from Athens and across Europe. Ferries from Kyllini run frequently, and renting a car is highly recommended to reach hidden spots and mountain villages. Boat tours to Navagio and the Blue Caves cost between €25 and €40. For more privacy, consider a private boat, starting around €100 to €150 for a half day. Pack water shoes, reef-safe sunscreen, and plenty of water, especially if you're visiting Navagio, where there's no shade, food, or restrooms. Stay in Laganas or Tsalivi for a lively vibe, or in Vasilikos or Keri for a tranquil retreat. Zakynthos offers something for every type of traveler. And here's a tip. Visit the Navagio viewpoint early in the morning before the crowds arrive. The golden light at sunrise makes the cliffs glow, and for a few minutes it feels like you have the whole world to yourself. Zakynthos isn't just a trip, it's a feeling. It's the moment you see the shipwreck for the first time. The sound of your laughter echoing in sea caves. The taste of honeyed wine at sunset. It reminds us that nature is art, raw, wild, and profoundly healing. In this small corner of Greece, time pauses, and something in you opens. You don't just visit Zakynthos. You feel it. Now, it's your turn. Would you walk the sands of Navagio Beach? Would you dive into the blue caves or watch the sun dip below a cliffside horizon? If you've been, share your story in the comments. And if you haven't, what's stopping you? Maybe this is the sign you've been waiting for. Like, share, and subscribe for more journeys to the world's most beautiful places. Until next time, keep your heart open, your bag half packed, and your dreams just a plane ride away.